I bought this 2 months ago and it only came now. It was stopped by customs because it is a Wi-Fi Bluetooth card, and it was there for about a week, and it actually got moldy, so I'm gonna do this video anyways. It was kind of already unboxed by the custom agents and clearly didn't care for it. I'm not sure who to reach out or to complain to. The box is very moldy and clearly was messed up with shipping. The device does come in an anti-static bag and appears to be working. I'll plug in my computer and verify. And it's using a Realtek M2 card with a Gigabyte board. And it has a USB header or via USB power, probably for some debugging or if you want an extra port. And it's a PCIe by 1 card. And it doesn't come with the USB cable for the other one, but it comes with the USB header connector. And antenna, which is magnetic for 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and the 6 gigahertz. And I'm going to toss this box because it's moldy and it's probably not good to have around, but this is what it looks like. And it already smells, and it's definitely water damaged. So, and you could see it's warped a lot. Also on their website, part of it says dual band, part of it says tri-band. They clearly didn't have marketing coordinate with the technology part of the company. Here's the documentation. It's pretty much available on the website. It's very basic, not much information on the actual bands. For that, you need to go to the Realtek module and their Realtek website, and has the Chinese kind of regulations as well.